Hello, I'm Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith, Claremont, and today I'm at the corner of Heytesbury Road and Addis Street at 236 Heytesbury Road in Subiaco. It is a generous corner block just under 500 square meters, and I want to feature, first of all, that here we are on a north-south street, Addis Street, and then Heytesbury that runs east-west. And so we're going to go in through the front. It's an original 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. And right when we enter this sweet little garden, we've got rose bushes, a frangipani, just such a cute, tidy little yard. Obviously a carport here. And once we walk in through the front, you'll notice there's been solar installed on the roof, which we'll see the panels in the back. Once we enter the property, you'll notice here, original beautiful marine tiles. The property has been freshly painted and brand new carpets in each of the bedrooms. It is a very clean and tidy home with built-in robes in this front room. This is the master bedroom. And what's quite unusual for a home of this era, there actually is a master ensuite. So if you'll take a step through there. And now if you will follow me into the main lounge. A fantastic and sizable room for family gatherings, creating memories with these beautiful large picture window facing south, brand new carpets, a fresh coat of paint, high ceilings, gas bayonet for heating and electrical outlets, but a great connection and flow into the dining room and to the kitchen. Huge opportunity with this property to do many different things. You could immediately move in and just start living, and then design a renovation. You could find a tenant if you wanted to actually one day build your dream home, because this is a fantastic and highly desirable block on Heytesbury Road. Now, if we come back, second bathroom, it has both a shower and a tub. And as we keep going, we have a full laundry room with a second toilet, the second bedroom. Again, new carpets, fresh coat of paint, light and bright, clean and tidy. And the third bedroom. And now let's head out to the backyard. Okay. North facing, beautiful sunlight all into the backyard. Original Hills hoist. We do have a large 2-car garage, which we'll have a look at in a moment. This area to potentially extend your garden. A little bit of grass for playing. You've got solar on the roof. Who doesn't love a beautiful lemon tree in their garden? And here out on Addis Street, we have a double garage. So many opportunities of what you could do at 236 Heytesbury Road in Subiaco. Thank you again for viewing 236 Heytesbury Road in Subiaco. As I said, arguably one of the best streets in Subiaco, here at the corner of Addis Street and Heytesbury. If you would like to view the property yourself, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me at 0416-657-300. My name is Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith, Claremont, and it would be a pleasure to serve you.